I just had a really great question. Someone just simply said, how do I join Save Club? All right. And I don't think I've ever actually made a video out of the thousands that I've made with Save Club and some other online businesses. Just a simple, how do you join? And I think it's going to be fairly easy for you to join Save Club if you just like to follow along. Okay. Now, I'm a little different than a handful of other people that are affiliates that want you to join either as a member or an affiliate. Hopefully, I want you to join both. But what I do and what I want you to do if you join is to just get your link and invite people to it. Now, if you're just joining Save Club to be a member, you can go ahead and hit any one of those links. I love saveclub.com. That's what I started with. And you just go ahead and click it, and you're going to go to this page. I would like you to watch this video because I want you to join as an affiliate. It will show you how you're going to save a lot of money on things you're already buying as well. But if you want to earn money too, and you got $60, I hope you join as an affiliate. Fill out this information and then click this orange button. You're going to get an email. Inside that email, you're going to get more info about Save Club. And then also, if you want to join, just click the link, get your username and a password. You're going to go to this page right here. This is the home page. And go ahead and start filling things out. Go to your info, make sure it's correct. Set up your banking information. It's really important to go to My Earnings and click a button to configure your bank or cryptocurrency. And then you can go ahead and click Training. Training's awesome. There's a lot of cool things there. And if you want to save, then go to My Deals. And this screen will pop up, and this is where you can put in your zip code right here, and it'll show local deals. Or if you're going to another location, another country or city, go ahead and just put in whatever zip code you'd like. Search all the deals. There's thousands, tens of thousands of deals. In the next few months, hundreds of thousands and eventually millions of deals worldwide will be inside the Save Club. To log into Save Club, just go to saveclub.com. Pretty simple, right? And you will pop right into this homepage here with a couple laughing and his wife or girlfriend. She's got the credit card out and she's saving, I hope. And he's like, yes, I'm going to get some tonight. If I let her buy, I don't know, maybe a $10,000 bag, Gucci, I can get some. All right. Also right here is important. If you know Spanish or some other language, go ahead and just click this drop-down box, and just about every language underneath the sun, literally, are inside this box. And that way you can read and feel comfortable with your first language. I am an Ingles. All right. Born in Santa Barbara, California, living here in gorgeous Utah. So this is what it looks like. And go through the whole website. You're not going to break it. That's how you join. So to repeat, watch the video if you want. But if you want to go straight into joining, just fill out your information here and click that orange button. Now, this page right here, let me back up. I'm going to show you another way that I also have people join. All right, there. I think I got both up now. You can see I have saveclubfunnels.com and I love saveclub.com. Now, everything we just discussed the last few minutes is how you get there by clicking I love Save Club. Now, if you want the funnel system for $25, what it does is it takes you through a longer journey. It explains Save Club in a lot more detail. Instead of a 6-minute video, it's a 20-minute video. I highly recommend, if you're an affiliate and you want to earn money, is to get the funnel system now. Don't wait. It's the first funnel out. It's the best funnel out, and it's only $25. It's not going to be a penny more. Every other funnel system I know, especially hosted by ClickFunnels, is $100 to $200 a month. This is only $25. It's just as good as anything, 5 times more than $25. And the best part is the company will also pay you $20 for each person that uses it. Right now, I have about 39 to 40 people using it, and the company pays me $20. Pretty darn cool. And that's recurring. So if I have 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 500 people using this funnel system, which I will have, times that by $20. That's exciting money that will come in month after month. That is an affiliate opportunity that only SaveClubFunnels.com has. So you got the comp plan. You're earning money by joining Save Club as an affiliate, $60. And all you got to do is just spend that $20 a month. It's actually $19.97. Find deals. I hope you do. I sign. Let's see, what 950. I think I read. I almost had $1,000 in savings my first month. I'm about 32s. I'm about 32s into joining. All right, I'm my second day in my mind. So I'm on month number 2, or I joined about 32 days ago, if that sounds easier. But holy crap, to save $900 my first month, that's crazy. I just spent $20 to be a member. And right now I'm averaging about $1,000 a week on just cash earnings from people joining as an affiliate. And then on top of that, the darn funnel system put about $800 in my pocket. I had 3 more signups today. That was another 60. But the funnel system is so awesome. So I sign people up by going to SaveClubFunnels.com, and people like yourself might go to this page. And this is the same opportunity. It just takes more detail. A little slower, takes its time. And this video is right here. You just press play. 20 minutes it explains. I think it does a better job than any other video out right now. That's why I have so many signups. I think I hit 15 signups in 13 days. So watch this 20-minute video. If you have not joined Save Club, hit this red button and look what it does. It takes you right to where you put your information in. Click that orange button and yes, you directly sign up. So that's how you sign up with Save Club. Now, if you're already in Save Club and you're in another group, it don't matter. This funnel system, it's like a screwdriver. If you've already joined in some other group or under some other person, no big deal. This is just a $25 funnel. See the right button, click it. You're going to watch a short little video. And if you're sure you want the funnel, go ahead and just click it. We take Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex. That's American Expresso. Go ahead and pay for it. We have a setup video. Takes about 10 minutes. You're just basically putting information from Save Club, your affiliate link, into the funnel system. Then you're going to have your own funnel link. And that's what I do. That's why I have Save Club Funnels as a link. Now, I bought this. I own SaveClubFunnels.com. You can get your own domain. I go to GoDaddy. They're $12.17. And they forward to any link for free. These business cards I got at Vistaprint, $22 for a big old box. Simple. So on a street level, I hand out a business card. I invite everybody to SaveClubFunnels.com. They all go through this funnel system. Now, remember, every single page I just showed you, you get to. And you can alter it. If you don't like Save More, you want to put Save More with bright yellow or best opportunity in 2025. Well, if this funnel is kicking ass, I'm going to go ahead and put 2026. You can change any of these pages, and they're super easy. But right now, it's all pre-built. All you have to do is fill in the blanks with your information and your Save Club affiliate link, and that's it. And then, bam, you can do what I do. Just invite people. Now, get the new funnel. You'll click this red link, and this is where you pay. And this is where you join my team. It's the biggest team. It has the biggest leaders. We by far have the most signups right now. We learn a lot from each other. We've made an agreement. Let's just provide pictures, banners, and of course, video already made. You can see right there, if you read along with me, full access to our team training. We have Zoom meetings besides the ones that are hosted just by Save Club, because there's great training when you sign up. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We also have other meetings too to help you guys with the marketing side. But you get full access to our team training, plus images for social media. Now, I love Facebook. I do a lot of YouTube. But I make my videos just by talking into a webcam. But if you guys don't want to do video, for whatever reasons, you don't like your voice, your looks, you just can't stand watching yourself on camera, don't worry about it. Relax. We have so many videos, it'll take a week or two just to upload them all to Instagram, TikTok, even the little short ones that are like 15 seconds. We have a ton for you. All you have to do is invite people to your link, but use our material already made. Then after a while, you're going to get your own made, or you'll figure out your own lane. Do you like to email? Awesome. With the funnel system, you can buy email leads, clicks, traffic. You can buy traffic. You can't if you go directly with the Save Club route. You can't do it because if there's spam and just a bunch of scumbags out there putting automated bots that are all fake. It'll clog up the server, but it won't do it with the funnel system. It just can't. They can try all day long to scam it, and it ain't going to happen. So if you want to send paid traffic to the funnel weeds out the doers and the do-notters. And then, through the funnel, join Save Club. A lot of people don't want to do video. They don't want to post, but they do make a good living, and they just want to pay traffic and feed those email leads into this system, right into the funnel system. So in my case, right here, if I was going to buy traffic, I would say, okay, here's $100. Give me a bunch of leads, and I want it to go to saveclubfunnels.com. That's what I do if I'm going to pay traffic. Now, one thing I'm not going to do is send it to ilovesaveclub.com, because there's potential scam and bot and just complete meltdown issues. So we're not going to do that. It's okay to do attraction marketing where you might do a video like this, maybe post on social media. People ask you for information, and you can tell when it's a real lead, right? But when you pay for traffic, you can't. So let the funnel system weed out all that crap. But what I do, just to answer the question that we started the video with, how do I join? Click both those links. And if you want to join as a member, awesome. And if you want to join as an affiliate, that's gold. That's touchdown for me. Then I'm going to send you an email of everything I do. I even made a setup video for the funnel system that's easy. And with Save Club, I have all this information. It's all free advice, what I do every day to make this fun. And that's it. So if you think you're new, good. If you think you're shy and you just don't have the skills in 2025, don't worry about it. We do. Trust me. Our group is badass. You're going to enjoy it. I want you in both of our Facebook groups, and I want that training right away to go right into your ears. And just boom, train, start posting. Let's get you some signups. Let's get people just having a great experience saving money worldwide. And then boom, we'll have cake and cookies. And I don't know, how about little tea? We'll drink with our little pinkies out, celebrating how cool Save Club is. All right, guys, thank you for your time. Get a hold of me if I can help you. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Just email me. I'm not shy. I'll help you out. And if you're on my YouTube channel, go ahead and just subscribe, because I do a lot of Save Club videos. I try to do at least 5 a day of training and anything I can to get you to join as a member, an affiliate, and then marketing is key. You need to know how to market. All you have to do is invite people to click a link to watch a short video. Guys, touchdown. That is all you're going to do. That's how easy this system is, okay? All right, take care, guys, and I'll see you next video.